Alright, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel. Got a challenge locking device. It is a collaboration lock by Potti 314 and TopofthePick. Now the lock still says the 1 on it, but for those of you that don't know yet, the 1 now goes by TopofthePick. So if you used to watch the 1, can no longer find them by now, TopofthePick. That's how it's written. That's how you can find it. The first letter T is capitalized and the P on the pick is. I checked it out a little while ago just to make sure. So, excuse me. And another thing too real quick, Funky Monkey, I got your box I put the stuff from Bobby Keys in there, got it all wrapped up real good with bubble wrap, so hopefully his 3D printed stuff will be safe for traveling. I'm hoping to have it out probably not Monday, which this video will go up Monday, probably Tuesday. That's, I think, the soonest I can get to the big post office. I have a little post office by my work, but they don't have the stuff for sending out of the country and whatnot. Okay, so bada boom, bada bing. Now this thing has a fairly wide open keyway, and it's got a ledge over there I'm going to try to use. I have not tried picking this yet, but I did check it out. And like I said, there's let me see. Maybe it'll use the jam, I don't know. Let's see. But there's a ledge right here. Yeah, it might work as long as nothing's cut real low. We'll give it a shot. Okay, let's do this. Going in. Oh, right off the bat is 1. Okay, I don't know if that was good or not, but soon find out. Okay, that don't fit too good. That was bad. I'm gonna let it drop. Feels like 3, but it feels pretty stiff. I'm going to check around. Maybe something else wants to go instead. It's not feeling too good. Okay, got a nice little false set out of that. Tell you what, this thing's nasty, boy. Now we got to see who wants to play. I'm trying to make one of the pins tell me what it wants. Okay. 1, 2 feels pretty solid. Can't really get under 3. There we go. 4. Okay, that felt good. 5. Oof, I don't know. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, that felt so good. Oh, nice. All right, so we got her. Oh man, I got to be honest. That wasn't. I thought I was gonna have to reset on that sucker. It would, because I was not getting not much feedback. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a great lock. All right, let's get backed out. Oh yeah, that felt good. Love getting those opens, man. it never gets old. Ooh, never gets old, man. Oh, shiznit. All right, let's go over here somewhere. Let me get a penny tray downhill. Oh yeah, never gets old, man. All right. All right, so we're open, fair and square. Let's see. That key. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah, that was easy. You know what? I think it's even got shrink wrap in there that... Oh, okay. Yep. Double wrapped. But it did come off. So that's what we got. Yep. It's about what it felt like. So I'm guessing it's going to work. Yep. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. Nastiness. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Oh, that felt good. I've been so busy today between getting Funky's box together and all my, what do you want to call it, personal responsibilities, laundry, dishes, yada yada. Had a busy Sunday, man. After this, gotta get cleaned up get ready for another work week. Let me see. Bada boom, bada bing. What are we looking for here? Key. Hopefully we can get a shim in that, because that's felt nasty. Yeah, pretty good. All right. Make sure that fits good. Yep. All right. 5-pinner. Ooh. So that deep cut right there, that was a serious overset trap. Let me see. Where's my pokey? Here we go. Yep. I mean, that sucker's like right there. Maybe just enough to snag. But I'm telling you, you give that any kind of pick action and it's overset. Overset season. Well played. Now I don't know how they collaborated on this. I don't know if one did the uppers, one did the lowers. That I don't know. Maybe if one or more of them ends up watching this video, they can say so in the comments. That'd be pretty cool. Let me get some specs on so I can see. Alright, on the core, we've got, well, I can see in 1, 2, and 4, actually, maybe all of them. No? 1, 2, 4, and 5, maybe? Actually, all of them. Now, I don't know if that's very light threading or maybe it wore down, but I'll see if I can get that. I don't know if the camera will even show that. They're so fine. I don't know, and I really don't know if being that fine if they'll have any effect. Maybe, but anyways, there's something there. All right, bada boom, bada bing. The front is marked with an X, so we're good. Already got the shim out? Jeez, I don't even remember doing that. Alright. Tweezers. Wow. Jesus. Oh, and that's, I think that's one of them, Asa pins. Sure does look like it. Looks like a factory, Asa. And so does that. Maybe it's a collaboration between those two and Asa Abloy. I don't know. And we've got a 2-piece. Actually, we've got a 3-piece if you count the wafer. Yep. Little baby spring. That was 3, so we're looking for 4. Nice long guy to get caught on stuff. Yep. And last but not least, looks like a factory spool. Okay. And, well, actually well, maybe. Let me check anyways. I don't see no mods, don't feel no mods to the body of the lock, or the Bible we call it. Alright. Let's spin it around. Put the key up here. Collaboration between Potti 314 and TopofthePick, formerly known as the One. Bada boom, bada bing. Straighten it out. Wrong way. There we go. Jeez, Al. Okay, key pins. We've got this kind of double spool action combobulation. Number 2, I'd almost call that spoolie because it's pretty wide. 3, again, maybe like triple spooled or 3 wide serrations. This one here is really trippy because it's kind of like spooled in the middle, and then it's got this really cool looking almost pellet shape to the top of it. That's a trip right there. 5, again, almost spooled because it's very wide, but it does have 2 different sizes of 2 different diameters there. Not sure if those would come into play because the pin's not going to tilt that much, but who knows. Drivers. Now this looks to me like a factory Asa, and so does this. I want to say they're called, what are they called? Asa, yeah, barrel pins maybe or something. 3, we've got this, I guess you can call it a 2-piece pin with a wafer, or a 3-piece because it does have 3 pieces, and there's a serrated sleeve. 4, this really cool, now it reduces too. So this end is much smaller. It's going to get caught up in there like you wouldn't believe. And it did. It worked. The lock worked really good. And then it looks like a factory spool in number 5. And all the springs are what? Copper or brass, except for this one in number 3. So beautiful lock. Thank you so much. And I think Bobby Key sent me this one a while back. So thank you. That'll do her. I hope you all have a good work week. Big Al signing off.